I thought Chinese were supposed to be really good at negotiating and bargaining on prices. Well, this thing was going for about 48 kwai. Actually, it was 50 kwai, which is a little expensive. And Toy Toy asked if they would go down. They said no. I asked if they would go down, and they went down to 40 after asking twice to go down. But I'm starting to do well.
3, 4.
If you're looking for some crazy, I'll tell you everybody's standing in a line for the water slide. You can come on over, we can take the roller coaster. And you know everybody's looking for a ride in the water slide.
All right, what I want to do is show you our hotel room. I prefer to show you our hotel room before we actually mess it up, but we were so tired yesterday, I just didn't feel like filming. So I want to show you our room at this, it's a really nice hotel. So let me turn the camera around. The bathroom does have a Western toilet. I do like the fact that it has a separate shower. A lot of hotels and actually apartments do not have this separate shower. It's all kind of in one spot. But nice bathroom, nice big tub. Got the hair dryer, got all the amenities, toothbrush, toothpaste, hairbrush, nice little closet to hang your stuff in. There's a safe there, and you've got a little wet bar here, refrigerator. Nothing in the refrigerator as far as drinks or anything like that. No coffee maker. You don't see that in most Chinese places. Nice bed. The beds were decent last night. I was so tired I could have slept on some nails and been very comfortable. Cui Cui getting ready to go. Said ni hao.
不是还有开泰吗？
你漂亮。
他是跟你们从小一起长大的笨
Okay.
蛋啊。
Nice little sitting area, and then you've got the patio. View of a nice little mountain there, and the city of Chángshòu. Sun is very bright today. It's going to be hotter today, so still a little cool because it's about 10:30 in the morning. If you ever decide to come to China in the summer, I want to forewarn you that at least the hotels that I've stayed in, not all of the hotel rooms' air conditionings work as well as the air conditionings in the West. I mean, when I come into a hotel, because I know I'm not paying for the bill, I'll turn it down to like 68, 69. Last night I got a little hot. It took me like 2 or 3 hours to cool down. I took a cold shower, cooled down a little bit that way. But it was a little hot. We opened the window completely open. I was worried about mosquitoes, but they had this little mosquito net thing that kept them from coming in last night. So once I got cooled down, I slept relatively well. But when you stay at a Chinese hotel, don't be surprised if the AC doesn't work as well as you would expect it to. And this has been when I've stayed in Chengdu, when I've stayed in Chángshòu, all these other places, the AC is not, again, quite as strong as it would be in the West. I don't know why that is, but either way, this is our hotel room, and today we're going to head out. 我们去在哪里吗？
我们去长寿古镇。
长寿古镇。
不用。
like 瓷器口。
Oh, like Sutiko. So like an old town Sutiko, which is in Chongqing. It's a fun place to hang out. Probably lots of trinket shops, which is my favorite. You guys know that I'm a trinket slut when it comes to, buying chopsticks, little Chinese paraphernalia. She likes those. 这是什么? Sunflower seeds.
焦糖瓜子。
Yeah, caramel sunflower seeds. I haven't tried it yet, but it does look good.
好吃。
Yeah, Chinese love sunflower seeds. All right, we're getting ready to head out. We'll see you guys shortly. Go, go. I did. Look at it. That's a good belly laugh right there. Nice pink hat, buddy. Go. 小心. No. Okay. So I could be a little ornery sometimes, and she was standing there playing with her phone, and she has this cute little sundress on, and I just flipped it up. You know how guys can be. And so Guoguo saw that. Now he's been doing it. So, and I told him to do it. All right, Guoguo, boo, boo, boo. So yeah, it's gonna be hell to pay for teaching him that. He'll probably do it like in the middle of a crowd somewhere, and then she'll be really mad. All right, Zoba, heading to breakfast. Like I said, they have coffee. Supposedly they have coffee. It's probably like Folgers Crystals. Instant coffee. You want to take a bet? Let's see what they have. Mushrooms, vegetables, chicken, tomatoes, onions, carrots, salad. Okay. Sanale coffee ma. Oh, coffee. Oh, okay, yeah. There we go. Past the machine. They actually have one. You don't see this very often. This is a shock. Oh, ni coffee ma. No. It's got even a little bean grinder in there. Look at that. Oh, I'm excited. We got coffee, people. The day has started off well. Nice. All right, very good. Cereal. Yeah. Corn flakes, Rice Krispies, and then they got a little boat thing over here. Some kind of vegetables, more vegetables, more vegetables. Home-style eggplant. Actually, you know what it's... Yeah, home-style eggplant. It says bacon here, but there ain't no bacon. See where it says bacon? Okay, boiled Chinese flowering cabbage, sautéed sponge gourd. That just sounds appetizing in the morning, doesn't it? Look at this. Little, for the buffet, you've got this nice little boat. We got stir-fried chicken fillet with bamboo shoots. I do like bamboo shoots. I do miss my bacon and eggs. See if we can find an omelet somewhere. Fried pork with mushrooms. It's kind of a meaty flavor to it. Stir-fried cowpea. Fried rice. Broccoli, that vile weed that it is. It's got oyster sauce in it. Small potatoes, salted peanuts, steamed buns, steamed creamy custard bun, sweet potato, and purple potato. And then you can get a bunch of different types of noodles here. So we can get eggs, boiled eggs. I don't know what that is. Oh, we got some fried eggs there. So getting closer to a Western meal. What did I have for breakfast? I had 4 eggs and just a whole plate of fruit. And 2 cups of coffee. Coffee was good too. We arrived here at Chángshòu, which is the ancient town here in Chángshòu. The thing I'm really happy about is there's plenty of shade here. Out in the shade it's a little hot, but inside it's good. And they've got a lot of air conditioning units and fans running, so as you're walking along, it keeps you cool. We got a lot of restaurants here. They've got their staff outside trying to convince you to come in and try their food. Ni hao. Hello. Ni hao. You see these, a lot of girls wearing these outfits. Not like costumey, but they're actually a style that is coming back in China. You see a lot of the younger generation kids wearing these. Tudou, potatoes, oh, stinky tofu. Stinky tofu. I had that in Chángshòu. Stinky tofu, lovely. Look, chicken wrapped in dirt. I have yet to have this yet, but I hear it's good. Isn't she a good girlfriend? She's holding the umbrella for me. I feel like a celebrity. I should be the one doing it, but I've got the camera, so she's been cool about that. All right. Done, Ali?
Okay, let's go.
All right. Cross the road one too many times, buddy. This is what happens. You end up a stuffed chicken in the middle of the street. Your legs are gone. Those are fake legs, I can tell. Should have never crossed the road.
Wow! 杨梅，
杨梅，好吃吗？
好吃甜的。
啊，天哪，天哪！ This thing, it's very sweet. She's got one of those little unique scales.
30块钱的，
要得，60两，平均价，
就穿2斤得了，不要你说。
30元，
我平的装给你装30元，
那个4盘，
我给你出钱个大的，那也不够，
这也够。还没有成功，
40?
还没有成功。
Yeah. So 40 kwai for that.
这个就相当于是头是吧？这边是头，然后
I don't know if you guys noticed this, but Toy Toy doesn't shave her underarms.
好的，谢谢。
Don't say anything that I said it, okay? I know I'd get in big time trouble if I said this, but she doesn't know English well enough and she doesn't have YouTube, so I'm safe for now. A couple of years from now, I might be dead. Sweet.
cheap，
Cheap.
cheap， 1 kilometer，
Half a kilo.
only need 30 元。
30 yuan, huh?
我不吃，我不尝。你看看这个围巾有没有喜欢的吗？
Oh, look at this.
哎呀，500了。
Look at this cute little baby outfit. Get the little Chinese buttons, flowers. Here's another cute one. Oh, look at this. Very cute. Here's another one. Has a little Christmas style to it. Trinket store's coming up. Trinket alert. My trinket radar is on. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop. Trinket alert. Trinket alert. Oh, that's cool. Juzi? So that's bamboo. It's got some, they make little grasshoppers out of it, I guess. Grasshoppers and different figures. So here's the child labor laws being broken right now. He's trying to, I'm just kidding, he's buying them. They're not putting kids to work here, like everybody says. Toys, guns. Oh, here's some cool stuff. See, like, you know, I have a ton of this already. I've given this away, but I just love this stuff. I love these brushes. This, it looks plastic, but it's actually made out of horns, cow horns. Wooden. That's 40 kwai. All these about 40 kwai. Little pipe for your tobacco. Look, a CCCP flask. Put your baijiu in. Go. Nice. Talented. Siwan. Bats. Shoe. Row after shoes. Beads. Look at these. These little marble beads. Look how cool that is. I just love this stuff. I see a lot of my Toy Toy's dad. He has a lot of these, and he kind of fiddles with them all the time. Yeah, I'm I'm a bag slut too. I like bags. Cool bags. These are great bags. If you ever come to China, you want to buy these just to carry your passport in, cash. These are good bags for that kind of stuff. Too tight. No, that's not me. So if you're walking around Chongqing with one of these, you're like varsity level baijiu drinker. I mean, that's a lot of baijiu. So now I'm rocking the CCP hat. Look at this. Huh? Dude, I ought to get some attention. Get some laughs of people looking at me. 喜欢? 喜欢? Yeah, I'm already starting to get some looks. We're trying to find Mom to see what she says. Mama, 喜欢? She likes my hat.
是不是很好笑？
Xiaoma? Yeah, very funny. It is. What is this, huh? No, it's not squid and it's not octopus. It's the whiskers from Davy Jones. Life is hard. Why should the afterlife be any different? It's got to do that thing. All right, it's time to get something to eat. I'm starving. Starving and hot. Need a cold beer, bottle of water. Got a little Chongqing beer. It's about 18 ounces. Got a little bit of rice there. Gogo's jamming on some rice and potatoes. Dad's eating some fish. All right, look at there, $2. Very spicy. Let's try some of this fish. Close-up shot. See a bit of focus. Oh, phenomenal. It's got that Sichuan peppercorn. La jiao. Has a lot of la jiao in there, which is this. Look at that. I can actually grab a la jiao by my chopstick. So this is a very famous spice that they use here. Makes your mouth tingle. The Chinese people don't eat it like I do. I'll eat it raw. It's so good. It gives your mouth kind of a funny feeling, and then it makes your beer or water, whatever you're drinking, it enhances the flavor. That's why I like it. Let's find some shrimp. Got more fish here. There we go, some nice shrimp. Love the spices. Makes you sweat. But the fact that we're in shade, we got an AC running on the side of us, makes you cool down a little bit. Spice goes right up your nose. Makes you sneeze. Before you head out, make sure you hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up if you liked the video, and feel free to make comments in the comment section. Last but not least, if you can do me a huge favor and refer my channel to some of your friends. I would like to adopt more subscribers into the Freeman family. It's going to be a lot of mouths to feed, but I know I can do it. Thanks for everything that you do, and we will see you in the next episode. I'm going to be walking on glass several hundred feet up in the air. Bring your diapers.